Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a website using free domain and free hosting. So let's get started. Normally when you want to create a website you need a domain and hosting. A top level domain with the extension as .com, .net or .org will cost around $10 a year, whereas paid hosting will cost you minimum $3 a month. Well, if you have just started website development and if you want to try out how to create a WordPress websites before purchasing top level domains and paid hosting, or if you are on the low budget or you just want to host a website for a limited period of time, then this approach is best for you. First open the browser and go to freenom.com. I will provide the link to the website in the description section. Now on the homepage you will find the text box that says the find a new free domain. Here just enter the name of the domain of your choice. I will just enter simple tips. Once you enter the name, just click on check availability. As I said earlier, on freenom.com you can't get a top level domains. Here you can get the domains with the extension as .tk, .ml, .ga, .cf and .gq. So my recommendation is don't take .tk domain, because if you take a .tk, it will not be possible for you to host this domain on the free hosting plan. So I will go with the simpletips.cf. Now as you can see, this domain is free with the price as USD $0. So I will select this domain and then click on checkout. Now as you can see, I have selected the domain as simpletips.cf. Under period, just click on this drop down, and as you can see, if you select the duration from 1 month to 12 months, you can get this domain for completely free. If you select 1 year, then you need to pay the USD 9.95, which is almost equal to $10. So we are going to select here 12 months so that we can get this domain for completely free. Once you select the period, just click on continue. Now on this page, you need to register to the Freenom. For that, just enter your email address and click on verify my email address. Then you will get the email from Freenom with the link to the verification. Just click on the link and you have to enter your first name, last name, address and email address. And once done, you will get registered to Freenom. I have already registered to Freenom, so I will just click here to log in. Once you logged in, on the top bar you can find your name, just click on it, and under here you can see view cart. Just click on view cart. And here you can see the review and checkout screen. You can see we have selected the domain simpletips.cf with the price as 0 USD. Just tick this checkbox that says I have read and agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on complete order. Once done, the domain gets registered under your name and you will get this order confirmation screen where you will able to find your order number. And then you just need to click here to go to your client area. Now here under my domains, under services, under my domains, you will find all your domains, and as you can see, just now we registered one domain simpletips.cf, the registration date, the expiry date which is 1 year from today, its status as active, the type is free. So this is the details that you can get from this screen. Then just click on manage domain. Now we will see how we can get a free hosting. For that we need to open the website infinityfree.net. I will also provide the link to this website in the description section. Once the website gets open, just click on register button. Here you need to enter your email address, then password, then confirm password, check this checkbox and you need to solve this CAPTCHA and then click on create new account. Once you do that, you will get the email for verification. Just complete the steps and register to the Infinity Free. I have already registered to the Infinity Free, so I will click on sign in button. Now once you logged into the website, under the accounts, you will get such kind of screen, and then on the screen just click on create account. Under create a hosting account, under step 1 choose a domain name, just select the custom domain. Now go to the freenom.com and copy the domain name and then paste it on the Infinity Free. Once you do that, click on search domain. As you can see, the domain simpletips.cf is available. Then you need to enter the account label. Or you can keep it as it is. The account username which gets generated automatically and account password which is optional. Then just solve this CAPTCHA and then click on create account. Once you do that, you will get this message as your domain is not yet pointing to the name servers. Just copy this name server and go to freenom.com. Now under management tools, click on name servers. Here select the use custom name servers. Now under name server 1, just paste the name server that we have copied from the Infinity Free. Under name server 2, also paste the same name server but change NS1 to NS2. Once you do that, click on change name servers. Now the change of name servers may get 1 hour or it may take 24 hours. So it depends. Now go to infinityfree.com and click on create account. And as you can see, the account has been created with the username. So that means our domain is now pointing to Infinity Free. Now once you do that, you will get the 2 buttons, view in client area and open control panel. Just click on open control panel. Now you will get this message. Just click on I approve. Once you do that, the control panel will be open. Just scroll down and under software, just click on Softaculous Apps Installer. Here we are going to install the WordPress on our hosting. Now under top scripts, just click on WordPress. Now click on Install Now button. Now under site settings, just enter the site name. So I will enter Simple Tips. Under admin account, you need to enter the admin username. So I will enter the admin username and then enter the admin password of your choice. Now once you do that, just keep the other things as it is and click on install button. Now this may take 3 to 4 minutes to install the WordPress on our domain. Now as you can see, the software which is WordPress is installed successfully. The first is the link to our website and second one is the administrative URL. And it will ask you for the cPanel login. Just enter the username and the password that we just entered. So once WordPress gets installed, you can upload the theme of your choice, customize it, and you can use it for your website. So that was the video about how to create a website using free domain and free hosting. If you find the video helpful, then please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.